Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another review. This one I have. This is a pickup. This came out 2-3 years ago, I think. Maybe 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. And I didn't get it, struck out, saw it online on Stockx, had to cop it. Shout out to the good people at Stockx. Had to cop this joint, and it's a classic to me. And for me, I feel like it was slept on, hella slept on. A lot of people slept on them. They were bricks, cause you know y'all, if it ain't no hype, y'all ain't gonna touch it. And y'all call it a brick. That's fine with me. I love it. Keep calling shit bricks that I like. I'm gonna buy it. Come right behind y'all and swoop it up. Let's get it open. This is the Supreme Stars jacket. It almost looks like the Dallas Stars. As you can see here, it has the starring here on the side of it, and it has a star on this arm of it as well. And then on the back, you see the Supreme writing on the back. Came in a few colors. I think it's a black and white color. It's a white and blue and silver color, kind of like the Orlando Magic. And I can't remember what the black color was, but I wanted this one. This one was dope to me. This was the dopest of the three. Got that verified tag on there. But yeah, and we just had a cool front today in Houston too. Definitely pulling this big boy out. I got a couple kinks I might be able to pull off with it, but for sure, rocking this, man. Yeah, this jacket is hard. To me, this is hard. Keep bricking, keep calling stuff bricks. Retail on this was, I think, $190. Found it online for $240, I think. Yeah. So keep calling stuff bricks. I'm gonna scoop it up like round ball. Appreciate it. Thank you to everybody calling stuff bricks, because that jacket with hype probably would have been $400 or $500. Appreciate y'all. Sneakertribune.com. Check us out. That's pretty much it. I struck out on Travis Scott so far. I say so far because I think I only got one store left. I'm praying and crossing my fingers. Everywhere else I struck out. Sneakers app, struck out. And all my homeboys hit. I didn't hit. A couple of my homeboys didn't, but a lot more hit than that didn't. In clothing, nothing. Sneakers and stuff, nothing. Struck out everywhere. So we're going to keep trying. We're going to keep pushing, keep my fingers crossed, and let's see what we come up with. And until the next video, you guys be cool.